in the long run. We're glad to have you with us. Ito po, ang Usapang Business.
There's a whole bunch of interesting and at times intriguing business events and stories taking place in Louisville. And tonight, we present and unravel 12 of them.
Without question, David, the hottest story brewing in town is the return of the boss to his old seat of power at San Miguel Corporation. Yes, Eduardo David Costanzo is back and so is supporting it for cheers and cheers from various contending groups. Ano ba ang maaaring maging dura ng pagkatalos ng ganding? Tuturuin po natin yan sa ating business balita.
Sa atin naman WhatsApp portion, pag-uusapan natin ng isang bagay na literal na tinitingala ng mga tao ngayon. Ito ang mga tampuhanang inflatable replicas ng mga kilalang consumer products na maiwas sa ating paningin. Tonight, we'll take a look at the rise to prominence of this new form of outdoor advertising.
Isa pa rin kakaipansin sa mga panahong ito ay dalawang bagong pakulo sa larangan ng straight-out food industry. And they go by the names Binalot and Ilocos Empanada. Ihahain namin sa inyo ang mga kwento ng negosyo sa ating namang food segment.
And last but not the least, if you want to draw attention to yourself and your business in this dazzling age of computers, the best way to do is to put up your own website on the internet. Mahirap at mukhang komplikado? Paano? Madali lang kung papanoorin nyo. Ating Paano Ba Kuya portion to the Benito.
That's our program venues for this week, and it's loaded with all sorts of exciting questions and answers, and we'll get down to all the bottom lines after the short break. Mga pagkain patok sa panglasang Pinoy. Susunod sa Usapang Business. To come up with best-selling ideas, kailangan mo lang talagang paganahin ang imagination at creativity mo. Ganun din sa negosyo. You must always create a need for your product. At alam naman natin, pagdating sa pagkain, kahit anong gawin, swak pa rin. And that's exactly what our young entrepreneurs did. Binalot at Ilocos Empanada, dalawang bagong ideyang humahataw na kahit bago pa sa industriya. Kaya kung naiintriga na ang inyong panlasa, umupot, manood na! Padami ang mga foreign restaurants dito sa atin. Wala namang masama. Isa itong senyales na umuunlad na ang ating bansa. Pero namimiss niyo rin ba ang mga pagkain Pinoy ng nasa? Well, don't worry. Dahil makina parang kabuting nagsusundutan ng mga foreign franchises, hindi pa rin pahuhuli sa kompetisyon. Filipino Restaurant Tours. It all began 2 years ago when 5 enterprising individuals pooled their resources together and set up the first ever Filipino takeout counter with a contribution of 200,000 pesos each. Itinayo nila ang Binalot.
Kasi yung idea came from our childhood memories. Kasi dati sa pagpunta pa kami dati sa Alfonso Cavite sa rest house namin sa Cavite. Ang mga bao namin, binabalot ng mom ko sa dahon lahat.
Ang feeling namin, we wanted to go native. So, usually Filipino foods yung nalagay mo. So, nag-isip kami ng mga recipes na yung madaling lutuin pero masarap.
All find Filipino favorites wrapped in banana leaves. Yan ang pambago ng Binalot.
We get our produce where it's made best at. So, yan. Tapos, we also get banana leaves. We wrap it para
Tignan nyo naman sa pangalan pa lang. Pinoy na Pinoy ang dating. Marami kang mapagpipilian. Adobo, pork and chicken bongga longganisa, vivo tocino, no bone style na bangus, big steak walastik, at taparat-karap. At lahat yan, kapag inihain, may kasamang kamatis at itlog na maalat. Talaga namang katakam-takam. Pagdating naman sa presyo, tiyak namin hindi rin kayo magre-reklamo. For less than 50 pesos, you can treat your appetite to a complete and certainly satisfying meal. Hindi lang yan. Convenient pa itong i-take out.
Magdadala na kahit saan. Pwede mong kainin sa conference room nyo, sa malaking opisina, o pwede mong dalhin sa stock room nyo, dun mo kainin. Ganun, makakain mo sa kotse.
So what we wanted to do is parang we wanted to offer the Filipino food to the people who couldn't go to the restaurants.
branches. Sa Makati, halos umaabot sa 450 orders ang natatanggap nila sa isang araw. With their growing deliveries every day, expansion na yata ang pinakamagandang solusyon. And this time, they're contemplating on opening their business for franchisees.
We wanted to act fast kasi there was a demand and we wanted to grab the opportunity kaagad. So that's why sinigyan ka namin bilisan operations and everything.
We want to expand. Parang how we want to do it is we want to be known, like when we say yung parang recall na ginawa na talaga niya. Parang gano'n.